What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm actually outside of a danger zone account. This is what I talk about in the prospect pyramid of an account that, while it's easy to get into, it's going to be a danger account. You're going to lose out, you're going to lose money, you're going to put money in machines and put in here, and you're going to lose big time. So they called from online, we got them online, and they normally we would have not even come to this location, but for the purposes of you guys and the YouTube subscribers, I wanted to show you an example of what a danger zone or red zone account looks like, what you want to stay away from. So I'm here, just got here. It's a government parks division, 30 employees, and they have drinks contracted through Coke or Pepsi, so it's only a snack machine. So I'm gonna get some footage of what the location looks like, and so you guys can see they currently have a vendor. They're not happy with them. I wonder why, because they're not doing any sales and he's not making any money. So I'm gonna take you guys along and you will see in this video a danger account. Stay tuned. So I'm back at the office now, and I could only get a little bit of footage. Everyone was around and I couldn't really video a lot, but that quick video, you saw the snack machine, and the drink machine was a Coke machine. That drink machine was actually completely sold out. There was nothing in the machine. The snack machine, crackers had 6-month-old expired dates on them, and some of the chips were expired. So those are red flags. When you go into an account and you see an old machine, an old row machine that's not even upgradable, you can't put a credit card reader on there. You're seeing expired product. You're seeing a lot of red flags that if you're new and you get a call from an account and think it's an exciting opportunity, once you buy the machine and put it in there, that's where the headache's gonna come from. So people aren't buying the product that's in there, and it's a danger account. So I just wanted to do this quick video for you guys. So if you're looking at accounts, what to look for, just to recap, this location had 30 employees. It was a Monday through Friday location. It had a drink machine and a snack machine, and they wanted only a snack machine. And as you can see, the volume wasn't there based on the product going out of date. So be aware when you go and evaluate accounts, there's certain things you want to look for, and expired product is one of them. So hope this video helps you guys. If you liked it, consider subscribing, share it with your friends, and remember, until next time, keep your drinks cold and your snacks fresh.